Hello, I am Naveen from Atomy India Logistics team. Here I am today in our Atomy India warehouse, which is situated at Dharuyada border and apart from 60 kilometers from our office. So in our warehouse, we have 3 dock area, one for inbound process and 2 for outbound process. So let's see. Here this is our inbound dock area where our import shipment come and offload with the help of HOPT and the reach truck. Firstly, we will keep all the product in our inspections area where we inspect the cargo, and after that we'll put the total quantity in a WMS system which is integrated between Atomy and CJ Darcells. So warehouse management system, after inputting the GRN, will get the put away plan. According to put away, we place the product in that particular area so that our pickers can easily find the product and save the time. It's depend on the products which is need for open area and that cold storage area. So for example, mask, we place the mask in a cold storage area because it needs a certain temperature. Here you can see, apart from the cold areas and space, we have also our offices here where our documentation and other system work we do. And adjacent to this, we have a customer waiting area where you can come and receive your product. Now I will call Mr. Rahul to explain about the inspection process. Thank you.
Hello everyone, Namaste. Let's see how packaging and inspection process takes place in warehouse. To demonstrate this process, I have a CJ Darcell team along with me, Mr. Man Singh and Mr. Rakshit. Mr. Rakshit is warehouse manager. Let us see a step-by-step process of inspection and packaging first. First, order will be scanned. After scanning, the product name, product code and quantity will be popped on the computer screen. According to the information available on the screen, the box will be picked up from the trolley and one by one product will be scanned. Then, after scanning gets completed one by one, the percentage increases. If product is scanned 2 times, then error message will come along with the buzzer sound. Not only that, if there are extra quantity or different product, then also error message gets popped up. After completing 100%, screen will pop up with a message for selecting a packaging box. After scanning the packaging box, label and invoice gets generated automatically. If there is a mismatch, less quantity or more quantity, then label and invoice will not get generated at all. Then we take a printout of label and invoice. Now let us see the packaging process. First of all, bubble sheet will be placed and then one by one product will be arranged in the box. If there is an extra space available, then bubble sheet or balloons will be added to avoid any damage during the transit. After that, Atomy special designed BOPP tape is used to pack the box. Lastly, we paste the label and invoice on the box. You have watched a foolproof system. By this system, you will not get any extra product or less product or mismatched product. Not only this, we have all the resources available on each and every inspection table, like barcode scanner, computer, label printer, invoice printer, and one more thing. Each table will have a CCTV which records nearly 45 days full-time recording. If we receive any complaint during this time, then we go back and see what happened actually on the inspection table. Based on that, we train our packers, inspectors, so that this kind of problem should not happen in the future. Now let us see a dispatch process. Mr. Sunny from the logistics team will explain.
Here you can see the conveyor belt. The parcels are being loaded on the belt and further loaded in the e-com truck, and they will be dispatched to your respective destinations.
This was the total warehousing process. I am very happy that you could able to see this warehouse online. I am proud of our world-class process, and I am sure you are also feeling the same. Because of this world-class process, we are sending world-class product at your doorstep. Thank you.